Well, what have we here? 2019 Diamond Kings Baseball, yay! Two autos or mem cards. I'm guessing it will probably be one of each. I can't imagine Panini being so generous as to give us two autos. God forbid we get anything of value in these boxes. Sorry, I'm being a little sour today. 12 packs per box, 8 cards per pack. There's Shoeless Joe on the front. What else do we have here? Look for hobby exclusive inserts, including the ultra rare Downtown. Find retro designs from 2002, 3, and I assume that says 4 back there. There are odds if anybody wants to see them. Looks like there's quite a few different variations. Black frame, artist proofs, something artist proof masterpiece. That sounds fancy. Other side says the same. Alright, so we're going to open. I've got two. We're going to go ahead and open one. I'll have the others for you tomorrow. And let's do this. I love Diamond Kings. One thing I don't like about Diamond Kings is I always feel like Beckett values these cards very low. But of course I know why. This is one of the more affordable boxes that hit the market each year, so they're not gonna. But I feel like while I kind of understand that, at the same time I think they undervalue the cards in here that are hard to get. Just because you don't pay $200 for this box doesn't make a card that's like 1 in 10,000 packs any less rarer. You know, it's just weird to me. But anyway, I mean, I get it with some things. I don't get it with everything. It's a good looking pack. It's nice. Yeah, I've always had a soft spot for Diamond Kings. I love the feel of the cards. And I generally like the look too. A little bit busy, but still pretty cool. Alright, we're starting off with Juan Soto. Hubble, there's Ichiro. We have Manny Machado. What is this? If I can get it off of here. It is a framed card. I don't know what color you would call that. Purple, maybe? Dark pink? Fuchsia? Is that? I don't know if fuchsia matches that or not, but anyways, Warren Spahn, the 300. I guess that's an insert. Yep, that's an insert. Clemente, Josh James, rookie, Satchel Paige. Okay, so last year you were able to determine the short prints based on the frame on the back of the cards. I don't know exactly how you're going to be able to pick them out, or if they're even in here this year. Let me see if it says anything about it really quick, if I can actually read this. Yeah. 150 card set, including 100 base and 50 SPs. Oh, okay. That's called, that's a plum frame. Plum. So, I will have to determine how we spot the short prints in this set. Since the frames are gone from the back, but it should be pretty. They'll probably have some easy guide. Tony Gwynn, Jonathan Davis, Garrett Hampson rookie, Kyle Wright rookie. Got something right here. Diamond King Sam Wright, 1919. That's cool, whatever this is. 1919 Diamond King Series, 15 subjects. That's pretty cool. Wow, me like it. Couple more rookies and Benintendi. Next up, we have Nolan Ryan, a David Fletcher rookie, Johnny Bench, Ohtani something or other. Let's see what this is. Okay, so maybe this is an SP because the back of this card looks like this, and it's just numbered a basic number, where the other backs look like this. So that's going to be it, I'm sure. So we have an Ohtani SP. And this was turned around backwards, so maybe they are helping us easily determine the short prints. Wade Boggs Flashback. They had an insert that looked like this in previous years. I can't remember what it was called, but it was very similar to this. So that's pretty cool too. Alright, Yogi Berra, Kelan de los Santos. I was thinking this pack's so heavy. It's actually 2 packs. Though. Alrighty. Mathewson. There's little Ozzie Albies. Braves are off to a good start. Been watching a lot of baseball. Alright. Flashback. Albert Pujols. So these are pretty common, I guess. Ricky Henderson, Burns, rookie. Hoping to get a Piazza out of one of these boxes from my PC. Kyle Freeland, Simmons, Miggy, Steven Duggar. I think this is an autograph. Yep. All he signs is his initials. Steven Duggar. Yeah, that's it. So there's that. And then we have a Yadier Molina Portraits. Good looking card there. Huh. Stan Musial. Salvador Perez. Vladimir Guerrero, DeGrom, Alston, Ryan Sandberg. Well, this is turned around backwards like it's an SP, but it's not a gray frame on the back. So now I'm a little confused. I'll set it aside just in case, because it was turned around. Here's Gallery of Stars, Aaron Judge. Nice. Keller rookie. There's Rhys Hoskins and Goldschmidt. Aaron Judge. There's Shoeless Joe. Another one's turned backwards. Luis Ortiz, rookie. I'm perplexed. Then we have Walker Buehler, Gallery of Stars. Reed Foley, rookie. Jackie Robinson and Kluber. JD Martinez, Bryce Wilson, rookie. Jeff McNeil, rookie. Here is a Jose Ramirez artist proof. See it down there in the corner. Pretty easy to spot. Not numbered, just labeled. Oh, cool. Nolan Arenado, DK205 series. Looks good. Roger Clemens, Greenberg, Bregman. Tris Speaker, Dakota Hudson rookie, Pee Wee Reese, crowning moment Jose Ramirez, and then heirs to the throne Vladimir Guerrero Jr. So this product has Guerrero Sr. and Jr. in the same box. Chris Sale, Chance Adams, 3 more packs. Still looking for another hit. Should have one more. Michael Kopech, just a Sheffield rookie, Tony Gwynn, another plum frame, Diamond Kings, Eddie Collins, the 1919. These are pretty cool. Although he looks very cartoonish, but it's still a neat card. Brooks Robinson, Hornsby, and Votto. Alright, last 2 packs. This one feels thicker, so there may be like a game used in there. If I do happen to pull 2 autos, I'll apologize to Panini publicly. Honus Wagner, Walker Buehler, Stanky. See, here's another gray frame, Sandberg. Oh, but this is actually framed. That's another plum, so I guess the plum is the most common. Flashback, Mark McGwire from when he was on the A's. Kristen Stewart, Laureano, Mickey Mantle. Last pack. Looks like we have a... No, it does look like a jersey. Let's see. Severino, Grover Alexander, Giancarlo Stanton. Oh, it is a vet. Look at that. So it's so funny that I got this because I was just thinking, you know what we don't see much anymore? Bat cards. We see tons of jersey, hardly ever any bat. That is pretty cool. Not numbered or anything, but wow, I really like vet cards that are mem cards. I mean, it's just really cool. So that's the second hit. Nice. Heirs to the Throne, Matt Chapman, Allard rookie, DiMaggio, and Scherzer. So this is the stack of what I assume are all base cards. I don't know, there could be some SPs in there. This is the stack of inserts and hits. Not bad. Just flip through here really quick. Yeah, I like this stuff as usual. I figured that I would. Gotta get the T on the short prints, but other than that, it's pretty much what I expected, and it's pretty cool. So that's it. One box of 2019. We're already in 2019. Diamond Kings Baseball. I'll have the other box for you tomorrow, as promised. Everybody take care. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Comment below. Let me know what you think about 2019 Diamond Kings. Are you buying it? Do you not like it? Do you pass it up because it's one of the cheaper products? Or do you love it because it is? So many questions. Everybody take care. I'll be back soon.